the bar guy is fucking. No, that's not it. Yeah, 296.41. We're going to see if you can beat that. Well, that was a kid's inheritance right there, 281.24. All right, we're going to see if you'll get her done here tonight. 281.24. Boulder 319.32 for Scott 319. Well, he needed to go 319.32. He went 320.63. So, yeah.
Greg London, Richie Epleman, Royal Excavation, T.K. Buck.
Well, we need to go 320.63 and didn't quite make it there. 316.8.
Go ahead.
All right, we got Andy Bobo out of Cascade, Iowa, International 560. Andrew was sponsored by Dubuque Malts down there in Dubuque 299.
Hang on, let it fire up.
There it is. All right, Mark Cartwright out of Big Bend for whatever it takes. And right there is what it takes. He had to go 320.63. He went 325.64.
They had certainly a great weekend so far in the process.
All right, nice strong Boulder, 300.66. Levi, 300.6. All right, 293.07 for Steve. 293.07. Yeah, he said you're 311.58, 311.58. The fire department, all them that donate many hours to sitting here watching, you know.
People put a lot of time into their expertise on medical care.
Yeah, something wasn't quite right there. Boy, it come down hard and stopped him in their front stop there, 254.33.
Up there within the next week. We got a few search socials going on around the area yet also before the snow flies.
That didn't sound good.